is Moniepoint keyboard. This is the keyboard panel. This is the keyboard flex. Then this is the touchpad. This is the touchpad flex. Then this is the network cable. This is the camera. This is the camera flex. This is the back crackers. This is the back crackers cover. Where this puts in the cover. Then this is the panel. This is the charging ports. This is the SIM seater. This is the CMOS battery. These are the clips. This is the screen. This is the screen flex. This is the battery. This is the battery. Then this is the printer and the printer flex. This is the printer roller. See video.